Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the coil pack on a 2008 Chevy Impala with a 3.5 liter V6. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. First we are going to remove our engine cover here. So grab the bottom below the cap on here and twist, and you can pull this right out. Pop the cover off here. Put this back in place, that way nothing falls in here. Our coil pack is right back here. So you can hear this misfire pretty bad. Let me pull a good cable here and you'll see what it's like. See that right there? That's good. This one is not good. Pull this out, get nothing. The engine doesn't change speed at all or anything like that. So this is the bad cylinder. That's how you can establish that you've got a bad coil pack. First thing we are going to do is remove this connector right here. So push down on this tab and pull the connector off. I find it easiest to just climb right up here on the engine. We are going to use a 10mm to remove a couple bolts here. So we're going to remove this bolt, and then the same bolts that are on the back side. So you can see that one right there, and that one right there. So I've got my new coil pack here. I will have this linked down below where you can get this online. Now what we're going to do is just one wire at a time, move it from the old coil pack to the new coil pack to its correct position. Now that we have all the wires swapped, we can start putting the 4 bolts back in. Once you've got those bolts installed, make sure that you plug that clip back in, and then you can put your cover back on and you're good to go. You'll have a smooth running machine again. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.